Oh, take it easy, I'm recording. Alright guys, welcome back. We had Streetcar Takeover. I tried to film last night, but shut up. Man, God, this is why people don't watch my channel, because I always got some damn goofballs in the background.
White dudes.
I'm very unprofessional.
Goofy white dudes.
Goofy white dudes.
More so.
Anyway, we're back at Streetcar Takeover. Yesterday I tried to film, but I failed at doing it because I was so nervous taking the car down the track for the first time. But car went 11 ones off the trailer, and then it went a 1070 with me driving a little better, making no change to the tune other than raising a two-step 200 RPM. So
There it is. Can we get an counter?
Yeah.
Listen,
we're gonna get an
we
counter.
need to. Next YouTube video, let's do an counter.
I don't have very good train of thought.
I know you're fine, but listen, we really do need to do that. So hop on the editing, Mr. And see how many you get. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, it's probably fucking 40 a video. Thank you. I'm done talking.
Talk to me nice. Right. Jared wants to line up later so I can push his shit in. So I guess we're gonna have to put the car in the hanger rod tune. Send the rods back to Mexico.
We're gonna send the rods?
We're gonna send the rods back to Mexico.
The rods tonight.
Or Michigan. Wherever this motor came from. Michigan, Mexico.
No, we're gonna send them back to Timmonsville where we're gonna rebuild.
Rebuild? We're just gonna take the 6.0 out of G-Roy and put it in here.
Or grab the motor.
I don't rebuild these motors. I just keep swapping them.
Send the rod out the motor tune on it.
He's not gonna have to do that to fuck you up.
Shit.
I shouldn't have to.
It really shouldn't.
Oh, by the way, we're on the peasant wheels now because the skinny's got flat spots on them from me letting the car sit for 2 years. So we're waiting now for, they're gonna run the no time class, and in the street car class, this extreme street is what we should say. And then they're gonna do test and tune in here, and then they're gonna start eliminations for the index class at 5:30. I did enter the 11.0 index, like I said before, because the car's pretty consistent on gate to go like the 1070, 11.0. I did, however, modify the tune from the 1070 tune that we had in here for it to go faster through the middle. That way, if somebody does tree me, I can catch them through the middle and not have to go all the way through the quarter. Second of all, I don't have high gear, so I'm revving the car to like 8,000 RPM with the 335 rear gear that we have in here and the 400 to get through the traps in second gear.
No, he did not.
Belt. Huh? I lost my belt.
Oh. Hey, you see that 12.0 index getting dialed?
I went 1090, but I lost the belt on the fucking pass. I
went 12 too, and I foot brake it. I didn't even launch it.
Let me straighten the car because Jared's gonna come. What are we gonna do about a belt? I gotta go race now. All right, guys. So they just called up 11.0 index. I got the car cooled down. I slung a belt earlier and it was a tragic incident. The car went slower and I thought it was gonna go faster, but it was probably because of weather. So wish me good luck this round. And what do you want to say?
Thank you.
All right, so we're gonna get suited up and head to the lanes now. All right, so streetcar takeover recap. Friday I didn't film, like I said before. Saturday I filmed. I probably got some stuff from the outside, but I had a camera inside that was gonna do the inside view of the car, and it didn't record, or the camera didn't take, or whatever. So the only thing I have right now is outside view and the intro, so I'm just doing a little outro, let y'all guys know what happened. So we went to qualifying. The first pass we went at 1090 and it slung the belt. Actually it went 11.1, which was perfect, and it slung the belt. No, it went at 1090, I'm sorry, and it slung the belt. Then the next hit, I went up against a Hellcat, which I fucking despise losing to, and driver error with me. I did the burnout, it went fine, belt was still on the car. Then I backed up. I thought I put the car in first, but I put it in second, and I was trying the strategy where I was using the foot brake to try to get the car up in the RPM some, and then drag it in to the stage, full stage, and then hit the trans brake. And when I went to click the trans brake, the light went instant green, because they only do instant green on the index classes at Streetcar Takeover. The light tripped, and well, not the light trip, but the light dropped to green as I was getting on the trans brake, but it wasn't getting on the trans brake because it couldn't, because I was in second gear and I don't have a second gear leave option in this car. So pretty much the Hellcat just like went out in front of me. He only got me by like a car, if that. And then during mid pull, the belt slung off, so I had to go get the belt back again from the starting line. So what I'm going to do with the car now is I'm going to take the 335 rear gear out and put the 353 rear gear in it. I am going to sell the single turbo kit off of this car, and I'm going to use the twin turbo kit that I was going to put on G-Roy on here. One, I want to get some weight out of the car, even though the single turbo kit the twin turbo kit wouldn't really add any weight to the car, because it'll pretty much replace the weight of the intercooler and the lines. And I just want to get the weight off the tank of the water tank that's in the back, and I want to move it more forward. Also the way, hold on. So I need to put a catch can on the car, one, because as you can see it's a bunch of oil here, and when I get in the boost or I'm driving around town, it'll push the oil out of it and it'll get on the downpipe and it'll start to smell, which I hate to smell. It makes me feel like the car's blowing up. Two, it's pushing some oil out of the dipstick down there, so my pan is like covered in oil, which I hate, because at first this car did not leak water. Three, I can't put a tensioner on the pulley. Well, I can't put a tensioner on the serpentine belt stuff, because when I built the kit, I was a dumbass. I didn't account for a tensioner setup, and there's really no tension on the belt. The only thing I'm using to tension the belt is this little swivel thing right here, which really doesn't do a good job, because it doesn't put enough tension on the belt. So if anybody's got a G35 out there that's LS swap, that'd be interested in the kit, all you really have to do is modify the downpipe. I really want to go twins because I want a twin turbo car. So kind of drowsy right now. I just took NyQuil like an idiot because I thought it was Dayquil, and I'm about to go home and edit this video and then put it out. So I'm gonna try to do another video this week, and as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.